how we roll at LAX. Right now I'm at the food truck waiting for an egg, white bread and cheese with mayo sandwich, and the queue is moving fast. I've made basically $85 in 5 trips. There's a possible 1 or 2 tips coming. It's a little slow for a Thursday, but if you follow my channel, you know how I like to roll. By noon, I want to be at $100. I'm at 85. We're very close. Hopefully we get lucky at LAX, because it doesn't look like it's too much of a wait right now. The reason why I know it's going to be hot at LAX is because the first passenger that was rematching me, it was $25 for a 4.45 rating. I said no to Heather. I said hell no. Now, by the time I left my car, went to the bathroom, and came to the food truck, I've already had 3 options for $13 and $15, and I said hell no. I will sit here, I will wait, I'll let the queue come down, because it's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock at LAX is prime time. Till 12:30 we're good. And it's Thursday, it's a long weekend, it's New Year's. It's gonna be busy. Like Monday I made $392. Tuesday I made 85 because I was moving, but I made 85 quick. Wednesday I made $312, and I worked my butt off yesterday. And if you can make $312 on a Wednesday, Thursday might be a little bit slow, but I think it's gonna pick up. The food truck is right here. Now I can't make too many videos because my screen is showing I can only record 3 minutes right now, so I gotta back up my phone. I've been recording so much. But a quick little video and giving you a little bit of an update. You gotta keep your mood up, you gotta keep your energy up, and you gotta be grateful because we're out here, we're driving, we're serving, and there's a lot of people around the world that can't even do that. And we'll end it with this clip.